Hi guys, welcome to another math online lesson. Now our lesson for today is about subsets of real numbers. This will be our objective today to describe, represent, and compare the different subsets of real numbers. Now take a look at this diagram. What have you noticed? So when we talk about subsets, we can illustrate the subsets of real numbers using our Venn diagram. Now, say that our real number will be our universal set. So the real number consists of rational and irrational number. Now, using the Venn diagram of real numbers, as wherein real numbers will be our universal set. Now, under real numbers, we have our rational numbers and irrational numbers, wherein rational numbers is denoted by Q and irrational numbers is denoted by Q prime. Now, under rational numbers, we have our fractions, the whole numbers, the counting numbers, the integers, decimals, and so on. Under our irrational numbers will be our radical and pi. Radicals meaning those numbers that when we get the radical of that number, the result would be a non-repeating continuous decimal numbers, just like the pi. It's a repeating and non-repeating and continuous decimal number. So we consider those numbers as an irrational numbers. Now we also have here under rational numbers will be our integers and denoted by z. Integers, we have our negative and positive numbers, right? Now, from here, we can say that the integers are subset of our rational numbers. And also here, under integers, we have whole numbers. When we all know that whole numbers, those are the positive numbers that starts with 0. So for example, we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Those are our whole numbers. And based from this illustration, whole numbers is a subset of z, which is the integers, and also a subset of q, which is our rational numbers. And we also have our natural numbers that contains our counting numbers. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So notice the difference, or please don't be confused on whole numbers and natural numbers. Whole numbers starts with 0, natural numbers starts with 1. Now, based from this illustration, natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers, also a subset of integers, also a subset of rational numbers, and of course, a subset of our universal set, which is the real numbers. Now here, natural numbers is denoted by n. Now I hope you understand now what a subset of real numbers are. So basically, N is a subset of W, also a subset of Z, and a subset of Q, and a subset of R. But W is not a subset of N because we have some elements of W that we cannot find in N, which is 0. Okay? So here from top cannot be a subset of your bottom sets, but the bottom sets will be a subset on the top sets. So again, N is a subset of W and a subset of Z, a subset of Q, and a subset of R. And W is a subset of Z, Q, and R, but not a subset of N. Also, Z is a subset of Q and a subset of R, but not a subset of W and N. And Q is a subset of our real number R, but Q is not a subset of Z, W, and N. So I hope you can see the difference on what I've discussed today. So this will be the subsets of real numbers using the Venn diagram illustration. I hope you understand my lesson today. Hope to see you again on my next online math lesson. Thank you.